judgment, O God, and the righteousness unto the king's son. You shall judge thy people with righteousness, and thy poor with judgment. The mountain shall bring peace to the people, and the little hills by righteousness. You shall judge the poor of the people. You shall save the children of the needy, and shall break in pieces the oppressor. Verse 5, you shall fear thee as long as the sun and the moon endure throughout all generations. You shall come down like rain upon the mount grass, as showers that water the earth. Verse 7, in his days shall the righteous flourish, and abundance of peace, so long as the moon endureth. You shall have dominion also from sea to sea, and from the river unto the end of the earth. They that dwell in the wilderness shall bow before him, and his enemies shall lick the dust. Verse 10, the kings of Tarshish and of the isles shall bring presents. The kings of Sheba and Seba shall offer gifts. Purihin ang salita ng Diyos.
Amen.